Hey there. I figured it was about time for a MelNAP update. You all know we have had some big changes around our schools, so I want all of you to know every detail of our plan to move future forward. Most of you know by now, but we bought Baker College. Some of our friends hate it, and some of you love the idea. The bottom line is we needed space. This is a good problem to have. It means more people want to come to our schools. We needed to make more room and build nicer spaces for our CTE programs, STEM labs, science labs, AP classes, mechatronics, and athletics. Plus, we bought the building for a song. It was so cheap. But this does not just make our high school amazing. It will make all of our schools much, much better. For instance, after we move our high school to Baker, we will move Strong Middle School to the newly renovated MHS location. After listening to our community, we decided to get some second opinions, and after a lot of research, we learned that our high school building was shifting, not sinking, which is an easy fix. Therefore, we get to keep our historical building and renovate it for our middle school students. After renovating the old middle school building, we plan to move our Rogers students to this great location. In addition, we are just going to hang tight keeping the old Rogers location closed for a while until we finish our current projects. We do have some good ideas for that location, but we need to finish these big projects first. Our 2nd to 5th grade Allendale Elementary location will stay the same. We plan to freshen up the building with some branding and signage. This location really works for our students and looks amazing. Lastly, no changes will happen at the start of next school year. With COVID, the shortage of building supplies, and labor issues, which are out of our control, we really have to wait until the 2023-24 school year to open our new high school location and make the other transitions seamless. So essentially, we are flipping most of our schools. There will be many questions, which we will keep you updated on as soon as we have answers. For those of you in our community that absolutely hated this idea of us buying Baker, we do have a big ask. We are asking you to trust us because years from now, we hope you'll look at this and think this is amazing. We understand that change is hard, but the reason it's hard is because our community cares. MelNAP matters so much to all of us. I'll see you soon.